Hey gang! So today I'm doing a drugstore affordable makeup only look. I tried to use drugstore products, things that are more affordable. You can get like Target, Walmart, CVS. I think there's only a few things that you can't get in store. You might have to get online, but they're affordable and definitely worth it. So if you guys want to see how I pulled this holiday look off, oh yeah, and I stuck to like a holiday theme. I tried, you know, the green. I guess you could do a red lip with this if you wanted. It's a bit too much for me though, because this eye look is a lot. But if you guys want to see how I did it and the products that I used, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so first thing obviously that we're going to start off with is primer. I already went ahead and moisturized and did all my skincare and stuff, so I'm all ready to go. I'm going to use two different primers today. This one's kind of like more for like pore filling for me, and this one's just like letting my makeup stay on all day. If y'all watched my last video at all, you know that like I like double priming. This one has a little bit of a green tint, and that like gets rid of any redness. Gives me a little bit of a white cast, but with foundation and everything that covers up. Oh, that was the NYX HD Studio Primer Base. And now I'm going with the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Illuminate Primer. I guess, I don't know if these have shades, but if they do, this is 200. Oh yeah, it's a little bit pink. I don't really need that, but that's fine. Yeah, so I'm using two foundations, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in 108 Caramel Beige, and then the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in Beige. So I've never actually used this one. It's my sister's. I've used it once, that's a lie. I've never mixed the two, but I feel like they would look good together and probably give me the shade that I need right now. And there's like this Milani foundation that I really like. The 2-in-1 or whatever, Conceal and Perfect. That's probably my favorite drugstore foundation, but I don't have any right now. And it's definitely a snow day. I'm snowed in like hell, which probably gives me reason to do this. It's like very liquid. Ooh! Okay, now it's all on my eyebrows and I definitely made a mistake. But I'm just going to take my Real Techniques sponge and buff that into my face. Okay, so I got the foundation on and now we're going to go on to concealer. For concealer today, I'm using my favorite drugstore concealers. These are the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealers. I have two shades here with me today. I have medium beige, light medium beige, and what is this? Light ivory. I mixed the two as well. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with the same sponge. But we're going to use this NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. It's like a dark brown. And I'm going to conceal my brows and prime my eyelids with that same concealer. Oh, is this the one? Now I'm just making sure there aren't any creases on my eyelids. And I'm going to take the Ben 9 Banana Powder. Okay, anyways, I used to use this all the time before I got the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I mean, now I don't put the Charlotte Tilbury powder down. That one doesn't have as much of a tint as this. I mean, it's like flesh toned. And this is yellow, but I guess it gives better coverage on it. I don't know, whatever. Eyes. Where should we do face? Let's do face first. I'm gonna take this Emax Design fluffy brush in this, I think this is Black Radiance. Yeah, Black Radiance True Complexion Soft Focus Finishing Powder. This is in 9203 Milk Chocolates. Alright, I look tanner than ever. So for contour, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics Contour in Blush 6 color palette. I'm going to take the only shade that could really be contour for me, this one, and contour. We have to fix this. And we will. Take my beauty blender, not my beauty blender, my Real Technique sponge, and just press all that in. For blush, I'm taking this Juvia's Place, the Saharan blush palette, obviously made for me. It's gorgeous. I haven't used it yet, but I'm so excited. Since we're doing a holiday season look, I'm going to use this like really bright shade called Tau. This one right here. I'm just going to pick some up on this Vanity Planet powder blush brush. Whew. Tap that off. And dust on my cheeks. On the temples. So now we're going to get started on the eyes. Since we already have concealer on there that we didn't set, we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using my, this is also Juvia's Place Afrique palette. It's gorgeous, looks like this. We're going to be doing a very festive look today, super glam, super fun. I'm going to go in with Niger right here, the green. And apply that into my crease. Holy pigment. Oh, it goes crazy. And we're doing the cut crease today, obviously. Some of y'all were here for my, oh, I look crazy. For my last year's Christmas video, sorry, holiday video, I keep saying that, and I'm like being insensitive to myself because I don't celebrate Christmas, whatever. But yeah, where I did a cut crease and I used Rihanna's new lipstick. It's been a while, but yeah, literally been a year since I've been doing this, and I have like 6 videos up because I'm so consistent. Anyways, I'm going to take this shade Aya, the yellow, and I'm just going to blend this green out. I'm going to go back in with Niger, the green that we were using, on a flat brush, and just apply that to my outer corner. I'm just going to go ahead and carry that to my lower lash line while we're here. And then go in with that yellow and blend just a little bit more. Alright, and then I'm going to cut my crease using the concealer and a concealer brush. I'm using the Morphe M432 as always. Just going to put some on the back of my hand. Concealer. And we're doing a half cut crease because that's my calling, truly. Now that we have our crease cut and our concealer's wet, we're gonna go ahead and work on our lid. So I'm still in this palette. I'm gonna take the shade Togo, this green shimmery shade. I'm gonna apply that to the center of my lid with a Vanity Planet smudging brush. And then for the very inner part of my lid, still working in this palette, we're going to take the shade Kofi. I really hope I'm saying these right. It's this bronze gold, and we're just going to place that on the inner part of our lid with a Vanity Planet rounded liner brush. These are just really small, precise brushes, like, maybe y'all can see that, it's very tiny. I'm just going to place that on the inner corner that's remaining. And then I'm going to go back into Togo, the shimmery green shade, and just enhance that a little bit and blend the two. So I feel like I need to darken the outer corner a little bit. So I'm going to take Cameroon, this brown, and put that on my outer corner just to darken it. I'm going to take more of the green Niger and blend that out. And then I add the yellow one more time just to blend the edges. Okay, I'm going to take the Morphe M213. Right, yeah, Morphe M213, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade, what is this? Precious Petals. And then for liner today, I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner in black. And then for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Oh god. Oh, that hurts so bad. I just sat myself dying. This mascara really does it for me, especially when I'm not wearing like eyeliner or like eyeshadow, like on a regular like natural makeup day. This mascara really does it for me. It's so bomb. So for lashes today, I'm using these Azzurado Cosmetics lashes. I'm using the shade Doll today. It's the second from the bottom. These ones right here. I do have an affiliate code with Azzurado Cosmetics. It's Sahar R10 for 10% off on your purchase. They're not paying me to say this, but I bought these myself. I bought the lash collection, and I'm going to be using these ones right here. They're very affordable, and they're 100% cruelty-free, vegan, and 5% of proceeds go to a cancer fund, which is super cool, and which is why I decided to go forward with this brand. I'm really excited about it, but yeah, I highly recommend. I'm gonna put these on real quick and then I'll be right back. I'm kidding, I just have to do these on camera so y'all can see. Oh, fart. Just dropped the lash. So y'all can see what they look like. I hate applying lashes on camera, but what I really like about these lashes is there's a lash band, but it's like clear. So these would look really good if you didn't even have eyeliner on. A lot of lashes with lash bands look so whack because the lash band would be so thick and like dark, and you can tell where you're wearing liner, where your lash is and where it's not because of the band. But these are reusable. I think they claim up to 20 wears, probably more. I should really fact check, hold on. Yeah, these are the lashes. I love them. Look at, oh my gosh. But yeah, code Sahar R10 to get 10% off. So it says these are synthetic premium lashes, so they're not sort of cruelty free, not mink hair or anything. And 5% of all profits are donated to the Cancer Research Foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight now. I'm using that same Precious Petals Wet n Wild highlighter. I'm gonna start with a dry brush and a dry face. Just apply. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and just spray that all over my face. Alrighty, and then for lips today, just keeping it very simple, nude. My favorite drugstore matte is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. Okay, and to make this a little bit more nude and less pink, I'm gonna take some concealer. I'm gonna do my hair real quick and then be right back. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. Like, obviously this is very extra and you don't have to go all out with makeup like this, but if you want to, you are more than welcome. But yeah, leave a comment, like this video, concerns, complaints, questions, whatever you got in the comments below. I keep all the makeup and prices throughout the video, but if y'all have any other questions about whatever, let me know. Again, use code Sahar10 for 10% off on your Azzarello cosmetic purchases. But yeah, other than that, I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. Merry Christmas to those who celebrate and happy holidays to those who don't. But yeah, thanks for watching.